Welcome to Eggmed. In this quick walkthrough, we'll help you get started and show you where everything lives so you can navigate your practice with ease. Once you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the left, you'll see your upcoming sessions listed here, and you can always click Add New Session for a quick start. Right below, you'll find recent messages from your clients or team. This helps you stay on top of communication without leaving the homepage. On the right-hand side, you'll see three main shortcuts: add a new client, schedule a session, and manage your availability. These are your most used actions, and we've made sure they're always one click away. Just below the shortcuts is a financial overview. You can track the amount received, pending, refunded, or waived, and even filter it by day, week, or month depending on what you need. Underneath your financial overview, you'll find the Tasks section. This is where you can keep track of everything that needs your attention, from signing notes and reviewing sessions to assigning forms. Each task is clearly labeled with a status. To do means it hasn't been started yet. In progress means you've already begun working on it. Just click on any task to jump straight to the action. No need to search around. From here, you can start building your workflow, add your first client, create a service, or set your availability. And if you ever need help, our help center and in-app chat are right here for you. That's it for your quick start. Now that you're all set, head over to the next article or video to learn how to schedule sessions, manage notes, and explore Eggmed's powerful features.